Eric, here we are at your wedding. How does that feel?
Amazing. Yeah.
Now you're two persons, but there's only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion and your days together be good and long upon the earth.
Eric, since the first day I met you, my life has been nothing less than a beautiful and exciting adventure. During our first date, it was so easy to see how special a person you are. Today, with my heart filled with joy and gratitude, I have the privilege to stand here and vow my love to you.
Eric, I love you more than anything. Growing up, I could have never imagined finding someone like you. You were a loose idea of what my future partner might look like, but you were way better than anything I could have ever dreamed of.
I vow to never take for granted your adventurous, fun, wise, and loving soul. I promise to firmly stand by your side during the dark times and help you find your way back to the light, happiness, and self-love if you ever get lost.
Hiking in the mountains with your partner is the perfect metaphor for the commitment you are making to each other today. It begins at the trailhead. After all of your planning and preparation, you've both made the commitment to begin this journey together. And then finally, you've reached the top. You walk hand in hand to the lookout point. You stand side by side after reaching the goal you set out to accomplish together. The whole world is laid out before you, and there are so many mountains left for you to climb. But take the time to celebrate each one.
You are my best friend, my adventure partner, my therapist, my biggest supporter. I promise to love you, support you, and to keep trying to put your needs before mine. That's supposed to be a joke. You are the best thing to ever come into my life, and I can't wait to share every day forward with you. I love you.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as married. You may seal your vows with a kiss. Congratulations!